Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can find and replace words, for example, or items in your codes or files on Visual Studio Code. So let us guide you through this. So head over to the Explorer inside VS Code, then navigate to the given file. I will go with this one here, for example. And let's say, for instance, your coding contains a mistake and you would like to replace it. So this is how you can do it. What you want to do is click into these three lines in the top left corner, then navigate to Edit or hover your mouse over Edit and then choose replace here, or use the shortcut Control H, and then use the Find box here to look for the word you would like to replace. So I don't know, I will go with this one here, project, for the sake of this tutorial, and then click into replace and add the word you would like to use for that. So for instance, I don't know, mistake, something like that, and press enter, and then press enter again, depending on the command line. So we will need to go for command line after command line to replace the given item within the comment within the coding field here, right? So that's it, guys. What you want to do also is, for example, click into replace all to do that at once, for example, if you don't want to do this command line by command line. And of course, also make sure, guys, that you use the correct typing without any typos, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.